Hello friends, welcome back. Let's look at next example here to calculate discount on total bill using if. Now suppose the bill amount falls in the category of more than 5,000 and less than 10,000. Then the discount percentage will be 5%. And if the bill amount is more than 10,000, then the discount percentage will be 10%. Okay? So let's look at how we can deal with this. So let's head to Excel. Okay, so first let us start with the data here. We can say customer name, bill amount, and we can say here net bill amount. Okay, just make some space here. So customer name can be there. And then they have some bill amounts. So let's say we have a bill amount of 5,600, 4,500, and then 6,000, and then we have 11,000. Okay, all right. So the plan is, if the amount is more than 5,000, then you get a 5% discount up to 10,000 rupees. And if the amount is more than 10,000, then you get a 10% discount. Okay, so in that case you will have to start with is equal to if, and the logical test will be if this amount, that is the bill amount, is now if it is more than 5,000 and should be less than 10,000. So what we'll have to do, you will have to start with the and here, and then we'll write if this amount is more than 5,000, comma, and if this amount is less than 10,000. Okay, in that case there's a comma here. You will be getting 5% on this. So you will have to write this value 5,600 multiplied by 5%. So it will be 0.05%. Okay, that is, then you will have to put a comma, and you have to go for the next section. That is, again you will have to write if. Okay, and if this amount, again you have to use the same value, is greater than, we can put a greater than equal to here, so that 10,000 is also taken care of. So if it is greater than equal to 10,000, okay, then you are going to get 10%. So we'll go for this multiplied by 0.1, that is 10%. Okay, that's it. So let's see if with this particular function is complete, and press enter. Okay, so now let's drag it down to others and let's calculate here. So here you are able to see there is a false because we have not taken care of the situation if the value is less than 5,000, right? See here, we have taken care of if the value is between 5 and 10, and if the value is more than equal to 10,000. So what we can do here is, here we can put a comma. That is, if the value is false, then what to do? Then we have to actually make a 0. So we get a 0 here. Let's try this. So now we are getting a 0. So let's make sure that this updated formula is copied everywhere. That's why this thing is coming here. Can you see there's a small tag here which basically tells you that inconsistent formula, because it's not everywhere. So let's try to do that. So copy this, paste it on the first screen, and then drag it down. Okay, now I think it is all fine. So let's test now. Suppose this 4,500, if I make it 5,000, you still get a 0 because our condition is more than 5,000 only you will get a discount. So if I write 5,001, you will get a discount of 250, which is 5% of 5,001, right? So if you want to include 5,000, then you can do one more thing. Like here, instead of saying B2 greater than 5,000, you can say B2 greater than and equals to 5,000. Now I think that will cover 5,000 also, right? So let's make this 5,000 now. Okay, so you get a 0 here because we have not yet copied the updated formula. So we have to make sure that we copy the updated formula down. Okay, now it's working, right? So let's take one more example. Let's copy this further down here. You get zeros because there's no values here, and take a new one now. Let's say Tina, and she has got a purchase of 4,500. You see there is no discount. And then suppose Uttam, and there's a purchase of 40,000, he'll get a whooping for 4,000 discount because the bill amount is more than 10,000, right? So let me make sure that it is visible to you. So let me copy this, copy the formula, okay, and I will put it into a readable format here. So like this. This is your formula. Okay, so let me keep it here. Okay, so just to summarize what we have done, in case the bill amount is 5,000 and more but less than 10,000, you will get a 5%. Okay, so if you want to mention that, you can mention it somewhere here. So let me just copy this and bring it up here, and you can align this also, and here you can write the same table. Okay, let me just make some space, and here you can write bill amount and bill amount tab discount percentage. So the bill amount more than equals 5,000 and less than 10,000, you will get a discount of 5%. Okay, next, if the amount is more than equals 10,000, then you will get a 10%. That's it. So you can keep a table like this for any and if you want to make it a little bit more readable, this is another feature in Excel where you can go to insert, shape, and take lines here, and just if you want to draw a line, you can. It's very easy to draw a line like this. Okay, you can keep it like that and go to insert, shape, line again, and if you want to divide this into like a table, you can do it like this. Okay, so please practice this, rewind the video as many times you want, and you should be able to do the complete formula. So there are two empty rows here. Let us fill that. Let us go to, let's say, Girish for 4,000. He is not getting any discount. And then we have Nitin, who is getting, he has made the purchase of 5,000 and he gets a 250 rupees. Okay, so please try this using if. And here again, if you see, we have used if, we have used and again here we have used if, you see. So you have to just understand how we are making decisions. Okay, so please rewind the video and make it perfect. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.